Have you ever wondered how self-made millionaires managed to pick themselves from the broke and poor situation they were in? No one wants to follow some simple steps these self-made individuals did to get where they are. They had to learn what we are going to learn today for years, but with the world today, you get to learn these steps in a matter of minutes. Being broke can be a stressful and challenging experience, but it's possible to turn your financial situation around and achieve financial independence. Hello, and welcome to today's video where you are going to learn 10 simple steps to follow that will help you have financial independence. Do watch until the end, as there will be an exciting bonus step for you. Thank you for being here, and so let's get straight into it. First, let's define the meaning of being financially independent. Financial independence is the ability to sustain your lifestyle without having to rely on a job or anyone else. Achieving financial independence takes time, effort, and patience, but the rewards can be significant. Financial independence is not just about the money, it's about having the freedom to live the life you want, without being held back by financial worries or limitations. It can give you the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, pursue a new career path, and spend time with loved ones. You will be able to have peace of mind and a sense of security, knowing that you have the resources to handle any unexpected challenges or emergencies that come your way. Here are the steps. 1. Acceptance and identifying the problem. The first step towards achieving financial independence is to accept your current financial situation. It can be difficult to face the reality of being broke, but it is essential to acknowledge where you stand financially. Acceptance is the first step towards taking control of your finances. This will enable you then to identify the root cause of your financial struggles. It could be overspending, under-earning, or not having a budget. Once you identify the problem, you can start working towards a solution. 2. Second step is to set achievable financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. After identifying the problem, it becomes much easier to set goals and create a plan that is achievable and realistic to you. Everyone has a different financial situation, so you should consider your current financial situation, lifestyle, and retirement plans when setting your goals. Your financial goals will help you determine what you want to achieve and how you will achieve it. Setting financial goals involves creating a budget, identifying your short and long-term financial goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. Every small step counts towards your ultimate goal, so keep moving forward, stay motivated, and you'll get there. 3. Creating a budget. The next step is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money effectively. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings, and make adjustments as needed. A budget helps you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and increase your savings. It allows you to prioritize your spending and make better financial decisions. Start by listing your monthly income and fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. 4. Reducing your expenses. Reducing your expenses is essential when you're broke. Look for ways to reduce your bills and save money, such as shopping for groceries at discount stores, cooking at home instead of eating out, subscription services, and entertainment. Remember, every dollar saved can be put towards your financial goals. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your expenses increase as your income increases. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is important to achieve financial independence. Instead of increasing your expenses when you earn more, consider saving or investing the additional income to build wealth over the long term. 5. Increasing your income. The pandemic and recession have taught us that having one stream of income isn't okay. So the need for having extra streams of income is a necessity and not a choice. There are several ways to increase your income, such as negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle or part-time job, freelance work, creating passive income streams, or investing in stocks. Passive income streams are sources of income that require little or no effort to maintain, such as rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, or royalties from creative works. The best well-known online passive income streams are print on demand and having a YouTube channel. Both of these streams of income are the best examples of passive income streams, as they continuously earn you money for months and years. The more streams of income streams you have, the more financial security you will have. 6. Paying off debt is essential to achieving financial independence. Debt can be a significant obstacle and financial burden to achieving financial independence and limit your ability to save and invest. The interest and fees associated with debt can eat into your savings and prevent you from reaching your financial goals. Therefore, reducing your debt should be a priority. Paying off debt is critical when you're broke. Create a debt repayment plan and stick to it. You can do this by paying off high-interest debt first, consolidating debt, negotiating lower interest rates, and avoiding new debt. Make minimum payments on all your debts and allocate any extra money towards the highest interest rate debt. Once that is paid off, move on to the next highest interest rate debt until all your debts are paid off. 7. Financial education is critical to achieving financial independence. Achieving financial independence requires continuous learning and growth. You should be willing to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. You should also be open to new opportunities and willing to take calculated risks. Attending seminars, reading books, and seeking advice from financial experts can help you expand your knowledge and make informed decisions about your money. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you will be to make smart financial decisions. Even after attaining your goals of being financially independent, keep learning. The world of personal finance is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with new strategies, techniques, and tools that can help you on your journey to financial independence. 8. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are critical components of achieving financial independence. Start small and gradually increase your savings and investments over time. It is essential to save a portion of your income regularly, even if it is a small amount. Start by building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Then, start investing in retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. You should also consider investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, which can provide long-term growth and income. 9. Tracking your progress is essential to achieving financial independence. Tracking your progress is essential when you're on the journey from being broke to financial independence. Regularly reviewing your financial goals and tracking your progress towards achieving them gives you transparency on where you are at the moment. Using financial tools, such as spreadsheets and budgeting apps, helps you stay on track and adjust your plans as needed. It's also important to regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Revisit your goals, assess your strategies, and make changes if something isn't working. 10. Remember your why. Keep your goals in mind and make sure that your financial goals support the things that matter most to you. Everyone's journey to financial independence is unique. It's important to stay focused on your own financial goals and not compare yourself to others. Your path may look different from someone else's, and that's okay. If you have been able to listen up until now, here's an important step to keep in mind as a bonus. Celebrate your success along the way and appreciate yourself. Paying off a debt, achieving a savings milestone, or reaching an investment goal are all accomplishments worth celebrating. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help shift your mindset and increase your overall happiness and well-being. Don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Each milestone you achieve on your journey toward financial independence is a step closer to your ultimate goal. So, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work, treat yourself to something small, and keep pushing towards the next milestone. And when you finally reach your goal of financial independence, don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Take the time to do the things you've always wanted to do, spend time with loved ones, travel the world, and pursue your passions. Ultimately, the journey from being broke to financial independence is challenging, but it's possible and worth it. Financial independence is a journey, not a destination. It's important to enjoy the process and not just focus on the end result. Keep your goals in mind, and stay motivated, disciplined, patient, and focused on your goals. With time and effort, you can create a secure financial future for yourself, achieve financial independence, and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and kindly subscribe to be part of the first Self-Educate family to get to learn something new from each video. Do leave a comment down below so that we can learn from each other. Goodbye and all the best on your journey to financial independence. Remember, with focus, discipline, and determination, anything is possible. Have a fruitful and blessed day.